Hey, babies. It's a little white, fluffy, apricot and white puppies. All boys. The little one over here by me is sold. Hey. Hi, cutie. It's a little boy. It's a little boy. I think they're going to be probably about 12 pounds grown. They're growing like little weeds. Yeah, they're growing like little weeds. And I know the buyer of him is going to want to see him. He's still little. He's the little one. Yeah. Hey. Go back there so I can see you. Go back there so we can see you. Yeah. This guy has more apricot on him. It's probably going to be a 12-pounder. And this little one here is going to be little, under 10 pounds. Hey. Hey. No. Hey, buddy. No. Hey. Hey. This is the middle-sized boy. This is the larger boy. Non-shedding, white, fluffy. Their coat should get a little bit fluffier and curlier. Hey. Okay, guys.